Everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of knitting. Ever wondered how those beautiful scarves, sweaters, and blankets come to life? Well, let's unravel the mystery and learn how knitting actually works. At its core, knitting is all about creating a fabric. By interlocking loops of yarn. Think of it like building a chain. But instead of individual links, we're using yarn loops. The basic building block is a stitch. Each stitch is essentially a loop pulled through another loop. When you repeat this process in a specific pattern, you create rows and columns of these stitches, forming the knitted fabric. Let's break down the basic tools you'll need. First, you'll need knitting needles. These come in various sizes, which determine the size of your stitches and the overall look and feel of your fabric. You'll also need yarn. Different types of yarn will produce different results. Choose a yarn that's easy to work with, especially when you're starting out. The most fundamental stitch is the knit stitch. This is often the first stitch beginners learn. Here's how it works. Hold one needle with the stitches already on it in your left hand. Insert the right needle into the first stitch from left to right. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and then pull that yarn through the stitch on the left needle. You then slip the old stitch off the left needle, and you've created a new stitch on your right needle. Repeat this for all stitches on the left needle, and you've completed a row of knit stitches. Next, there is the purl stitch. It's essentially the reverse of the knit stitch. To purl, hold the needle with the stitches on it in your left hand. Insert the right needle into the first stitch from right to left. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull the yarn through the stitch on the left needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle, and you've created a purl stitch. Combining knit and purl stitches creates different textures and patterns. For example, knitting every row creates garter stitch. Knitting one row and purling the next creates stockinette stitch, which has a smooth side and a bumpy side. Casting on is the first step in knitting, which is how you create the initial row of stitches. There are various cast-on methods, with the long tail cast-on being very popular. This involves creating a slip knot, then using the yarn to create loops on the needle. Binding off is the final step, which secures the last row of stitches, preventing the fabric from unraveling. Knitting projects can range from simple scarves and hats to complex sweaters and blankets. As you gain experience, you can explore different stitch patterns, color work, and techniques. Knitting is a rewarding craft that combines creativity with a sense of accomplishment. Happy knitting!